Okay, so I got a question about drawing these molecules, and I just thought it'd be a good place to make a video because it is a good question. I appreciated somebody asking me this, because I'm sure that a few people had troubles with this. And even when I started doing this, however they programmed this, it does some wonky things sometimes. So I'll sort of talk about what it did to me, and maybe that's what it's doing to you too. So I go ahead and go into draw. I'm going to go ahead and put in the bonds first because that's just easier. And you can get all the geometry and what it looks like correct. So that way you can then just put in the atoms. It's a bit easier that way. Uh, Sort of the 101s of copying or forging a drawing, I guess. Okay, so I'm making this bond pattern right here. Single bonds, and I'm putting one down here. Notice these are all carbons, and so my carbons are fine there. But this one's an oxygen, so I need to replace it with O, oxygen. And so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit more, as it says up here, more, and then plus H. It did it again. Hey. And so when I hit more the first time, it did this as well, and my drawing disappeared. And how the hell am I going to add H's to a drawing that's gone? But I then hit the forward arrow, and it comes back. So essentially, it's hitting the back arrow a bunch of times whenever you hit this more sometimes. And it doesn't do it all the time, because I tried to recreate that myself before I started recording this video, and it did not do it. Anyways, just hit the forward arrow, the redo, because apparently, for whatever reason, when you click on more for the first time after so long or something, it hits the undo button right here and undoes everything. So it's not a huge problem, but it's weird. And I can see why it's just causing havoc. And so I hit the plus hydrogens, and then I add a hydrogen there, and that's the only one I need. I add 2 hydrogens here, that's the 2 I need there, 1 there, and then I add 2 here, and 1, 2, 3. And I'm good to go. I would then submit that, and congratulations, you got the problem done. Anyways, you guys have a great weekend. You guys take care. Let me know if you ever need any more of these sort of videos or don't understand something. Seriously, please ask me questions. It's the only way I'm going to know exactly where you guys are having troubles with. For example, this is just a weird sort of outlier situation that really it's not something that you guys particularly probably had problems with. Anyways, let me know and take care.